Anti-austerity lines were obviously quite small. You know, it was only set up as an entity last year, following the property tax household charge campaign. So we've got a steering committee. We've got we meet monthly. We haven't seen the need to appoint a leader. You know, maybe that would be leaders that would rise in the future, but generally, left-wing parties will be less hierarchical. So,
do you think that's to their detriment, because perhaps they don't see a figurehead in the way they do in other political parties? You know, I mean, who would AAA put up in a leadership debate? You know,
well, I don't know. We'd have to. Obviously, myself and Paul Murphy are elected for the anti-austerity lines. I mean, Joe is more. He's going to retire as a TD, so it wouldn't arise in the same way. But I suppose we're seen as leaders of the anti-austerity alliance and the anti-water charges movement. So.
If there was a leader, would you like to be it?
Again, you know, I didn't get involved in politics for a career move. You know, I was an activist first, so it's not really about my personal enhancement and my career. You know, so well, not particularly. No, I prefer more collective leadership anyway.
Okay, right.